A very important topic which since past five topic we have discussed and now, जहाँ पे हमने टाइम टेबल कैसे बनाते हैं, गोल ऑफ द ईयर कैसे बनाया जाता है, फिर हमको अपना पर्सनल टाइम टेबल कैसे बनाना है. So these are the things very very important to understand which we neglect in our daily life and all, because timetable is a reflection of our success. Timetable is a reflection of our how we live our life daily. That's very 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 important. So every area when you covered actually, it means in this year how many things you are going to do. If you understand in a deeper level, then only you can make a proper timetable. So as we have done four things: goal of the year, how to make the timetable we understood, and personal timetable also we understood, and apart of that we understood that how the daily diary is very important when you are working on timetable. So today is very important timetable which you need to just make a note of that and please start doing, because as a human being what is very important, हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या है? Family and friends. We cannot imagine our life if the family is not the part of our timetable. It means our daily life, whatever we do since morning to evening, we keep in our mind whom our close people and all. And who are these close people? Only our friends and family. So understand, when you design your timetable, whether on daily ways or the weekly ways, actually when you don't put the time for your family, do you feel that हम क्या कुछ भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं? नहीं. So be very specific in that how to make the family time and all. So make a note of that. That's very very important. So I'll give this name also, my circle. So M, if you write down M stands for what? Meet together once in a day. It means, I understand morning to evening we are totally engaged, we are totally packed in our work and all, but what is more important, end of the day you are doing for home, for your family. So freeze one time for everyone, at least for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. At least the best ideal time might be will be there. Evening when you reach home and all, or after the school, after the job and all, we will be tired and all. So what you can do it, yeah, before the sleep, at least half an hour before, at least try to just meet togetherly and all, and have discussion how was the day and all, how you people have done and all. So that discussion is very important for you all to understand. In my family, whether my siblings, whether my parents, whether my any one of my family, how they have lived today actually, and how was the day actually for them. It's very important. So M stands for meet in a day once togetherly. Then comes Y stand, that is very very important actually. See, हम कितना भी लाइफ में करें, हम बहुत थक जाएंगे, वी विल बी टायर्ड एंड ऑल, वी विल बी स्ट्रेस एंड ऑल. एटलीस्ट वीकली वंस ट्राई टू डू समथिंग विच इज़ योर फेवरेट. इट मीन्स वाई स्टैंड फॉर योर फेवरेट थिंग विथ योर फैमिली. सपोज टू फॉर मी, आई लव टू प्रिपेयर सम डिश जो मेरी फैमिली को पसंद है. आई शुड कुक फॉर them. My favorite I have to just give to my family at least once in a day. Daily हम खाना बनाते हैं, daily we are helping our parents, daily we are doing something, but one day in a week you all be together. It's supposed to, I have to, my family they love, I supposed to be like biryani. So let me to engage everyone. Okay, today I am going to prepare this. So this day you have to be with me, whether Sunday, Saturday, whatever you feel and all, and cook that special dish for them. Let everyone to be the part of that. That's the reason in olden days that was a practice. Cooking time used to be, घर में एक feast जैसा चलता था. They used to sit togetherly and all, they used to prepare and all. That's the reason whether in the iftar time also, in Ramzan time also, during the Christmas time also, during this Batkama, Dashara time, we all will see that हम कुछ भी करते हैं तो साथ में करते हैं. So we cannot ignore our culture and all. So bring weekly at least once your favorite dish. Try to make with your own complete family and all. Then C comes. C means stands for call one every day. Try to call one person who is very close. And see, understand, we all used to be packed in our day. कभी हम स्कूल में, कभी जॉब में, कभी कॉलेज में. दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. बट ट्राई टू कॉल वन पर्सन इन अ डे. नॉट आई एम टॉकिंग लाइक योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स and other family member you are used to with them. I'm talking your friends, might be your cousins, might be your relatives about whom you always think but you are unable to contact to them. So make a list of this. At least try to call one of the person from your family and friends to whom you think that I should call actually. तो आज एक को कॉल करो, कल किसी को. इन दैट वे यू विल ट्राई टू मेक दैट ऑरा that yes, you think about the people and all around you. So very important. So C stands for call once in a day. Then what comes here? I, it's very important for you. I means your interest. You understand interest. I suppose I wanted to learn piano, I wanted to love to do the drawing, I wanted to just go for a music class. Whatever is your interest, try to connect with your family and friends. Find out those friends, otherwise find out that family member who is also interested in all. So what you can do it, whether weekly 2 times, whether every day, whether you wanted to go for a badminton course, whatever, try to involve someone who is very close with you and just try to go togetherly. So what happens, your interest became the part of your friends and family also, and you will enjoy more. So just have this interest area, it means your skill area, with your family and friends also. So try to figure out actually. Then R is very important here. As I said circle, CIR stand for, I'll say that we all love to go for the vacation, but can we go every time to the vacation? No, we cannot. Hardly yearly once and twice only. So here, at least weekly once or monthly once, you should must go for the road trip. Whether sometimes you can go by bus, go by car. Nowadays, everyone is having the car and all. So we can just go by a small trip we can plan, because road trip will give you a lot of insight to understand the nature more, and to understand that a small fun kind of the weekend you can just take and all. In the road trip, try to just have the local food and all, and try to just invent and discover something in that area where you are planning and all. So involve your family and friends into this road trip instead of going with only the 2 3 people and all. In that way you can create more bonding among your family, friends and all, and you people can enjoy more culture and about more values togetherly actually when we go for the road trip. So make the road trip to be the part of your life, not only for the drinking and eating junk food and cold drink and all. No, it should not be like that. It should be like as an explorer. You need to just explore wherever you are going and all. You need to connect with the nature more and all. So it's very, 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 very important actually. And right now it comes L. It's very, 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 very important actually, which I feel actually, that is let eat togetherly. Generally what happens actually, we all will be busy in our life. If suppose we all family members are sitting and all also, what we do actually, we used to avoid completely eating togetherly. We think that we have switched on the TV, we are watching the TV, we are eating togetherly. No TV, no gadgets, switch off everything, eat togetherly, see the food. End of the day, whatever the hard work we do for this food only. So when you don't eat togetherly, so what will happen? Somewhere we are insulting the food, somewhere we are insulting that family to whom we belong actually. That's the reason the very famous line, we all know that the family who eats together stay together. So just make a part of that. Then E here, after that comes E means exercise. Try to do exercise, sometime morning walk or anything which you feel that you can do with your family togetherly, because it's alone you, if you are thinking that I have to take care of my health and all. So yes, you need to be very selfish, but if you involve your family members and all, what will happen, you are thinking about the completely your family health goal also. So it's very, very important. Weekly once try to go with for the trekking, for the hiking with your friends and all. So in a such a way you can just design your timetable. That is very, very, very important for us to understand that of whatever, as a human being, when we have come on this planet, we cannot deny that we are living in a family where it's very, very, very important for us to just go togetherly. So family, friends, timetables are highly important to make your life a bit peaceful and all, and to grow togetherly. So just make an understanding of this my circle. In that, as I already have defined actually what is stands all this letter and all, and just try to just work on that. So thank you so much, and try to just do in your life.